All right, hello guys. Here with another review for the GOKOO Smart Watch, full touchscreen. It is waterproof. I'm not sure for how much of the water depth it should go, but has a Bluetooth 5.0. You have a 200 milliamp battery in it, compatible with the iPhone, iOS, and Android. In this package, it does include the smartwatch, of course, and a charging cable and a manual book. So I bought the one that is black. All right, and pretty much your other features is the heart rate, sleeping monitor, multi-sports mode, which I'm not gonna use, notifications from your phone. You're gonna have music controlling from the smartwatch to your phone, call functioning, remote photograph. I guess you can control your camera with this watch. The other one is gonna be the breath training. Okay, and again, it is black. So let's go ahead and take the sleeve off. Put that right there. And IP68, see? Okay, and I guess it includes an app for your phone, so you can have controls from your watch to your phone. So you can download it on the App Store, or you can download it on Google Play if you have Android. So let's open this. Sorry, I got a cold, so. Okay, so here's your manual book. Okay, here's your watch. Okay, let's put that aside. And you got your charger. Okay, magnet charger, I mean. That's the little sleeve. And here you have the power. It's already powered on, so I was trying it earlier, which you know how on your iWatch you can go ahead and touch the screen and it will turn on. This one does not have that feature, and it does leave smudges on the screen. Okay, this is rubber wristband for your watch. You have your little sensor right here for the heart rate. Okay, and you can swap, change, exercises, your heart rate. Okay, which, let's give it a try right quick. Let's see what it is. Come on. All right, 84 blood pressure. Okay, it's a bit slow, but it works. All right, let's see what else you have on here. Your playlist for your phone, which I have to download the app with. The sleeping aid, so I can go monitor how you sleep and how many hours you sleep. This one you need to update the device by downloading the app on your phone. Okay, so you can go ahead and put whichever location you're in. So this one, you do have to press the little dial button on here to actually turn on the feature. Okay, lamp. Okay, not bad. What else? You got mute. You can mute your phone. You can go to settings on here. Scan, what is this for? That's a good question. I don't know what that is for. Brightness. You can change your brightness. Full mode. All right. Okay, information. It gives you information. Okay, SN93. Don't know what that is. ID. Okay. Battery. Look, it has almost half percentage of the battery. Bluetooth, of course, is not on right now. That's the reason it's not connecting to my phone. Okay. Find phone. O2. Okay. It's got a stopwatch face. Watch face. I'm sorry. Can change your watch face on there. Screen. Sleep. Breathing. News. Okay, sports. It got like little features on there, little apps you can go ahead and use. And on this one, unfortunately, I did have an issue with it, which this button, just came off loose. And it's the only thing that I'm not really happy with. This button was kind of like, I don't know, it kind of felt like it was not really secure. This is plastic. As you can see, you have the plastic on here and you have the glass on here and the glass there. So with the charger, USB cable, and the charger port does have magnet, okay, which it does connect. The only thing that I would want is the magnet to be a little bit more stronger, in case, so it can really be secured on there, just like a smidge stronger, but I mean, it still works. It's still good. The cable, I wish it was a better quality, which would really help. I wish this wasn't plastic, but I mean, for $40, it's actually not bad. It does count how many steps you have. It tells you the day you on, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, or Saturday. It gives you your blood pressure. It gives you time, and I mean, it's not bad. This, I don't know if it turns on like a little light, I thought, but pretty much for the feature of this watch, I'm sorry, it's really nice. I mean, for $40, it's not too expensive if you want a smart watch, and don't want to pay too much out of your pocket to get a really expensive watch. But this is good enough, if you have you're looking for a gift, you want to give your child, your son, this is a great smartwatch for him to begin with. You don't have to worry about spending too much money or anything like that. Great watch. The only thing is this dial, it would have been better up here in the corner, so when you go ahead and fold your wrist, it won't be pressing this button, where since it's really delicate button, that won't give it this problem, which it wasn't. I was just trying to figure out how to turn it on, and well, it came off loose. But that's the only problem I have. The other one that I think may give you issues, it's this. I'm not sure how strong it would be, but I mean, it's not bad for $40. I'm not spending $500, $300. Of course, it's not one of those high brand watches, but it looks great. The dial screen, it's just great size. for you to go ahead and see things. Huh? I like it. It's not bad. Only thing is this not to be plastic, this to be fixed or moved up here too, where it won't give you that reaction when you fold or you lean and accidentally turn on your watch. That's pretty much in what I see about this watch. It's not bad for starters. It's not bad for a gift. But these little things, I would hesitate, on those. All right, guys. Well, there's a open box for this watch, and excuse me. And if you do plan to get it, just make sure that watch out with this part of their watch, okay? And that's all I can tell you. All right, well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and that helped you out with whatever, whatever you wanted to look at and what I've seen, And if I have any other reviews on it or any other thoughts, I'll go ahead and type it down on more reviews and add it there. All right. Thank y'all for watching. Laters.